Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW Z4 versus BMW M8. We'll dive into what makes each of these incredible vehicles unique, from their driving dynamics to their interior comforts. Understanding their core differences will help you decide which BMW best suits your lifestyle and driving preferences. Let's explore the distinct characteristics that set these two impressive machines apart. When it comes to performance, the Z4 with its lighter frame delivers an incredibly agile and responsive feel, perfect for winding roads. The M8, on the other hand, offers immense power, often exceeding 600 horsepower, providing breathtaking acceleration and a commanding presence. While both offer superb handling, the Z4 prioritizes nimble fun, whereas the M8 focuses on high-speed stability and grand touring comfort. Visually, the Z4 embraces a classic roadster aesthetic, featuring a sleek profile and a retractable soft top for open-air driving enjoyment. The M8 presents a more imposing and elegant grand tourer design, with a focus on sophisticated lines. Inside, the M8 provides a more spacious and opulent cabin, packed with cutting-edge technology and premium finishes, while the Z4 offers a driver-focused, intimate cockpit. Considering value, the Z4 generally comes with a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option for those seeking a pure driving experience without the top-tier luxury cost. The M8, however, commands a significantly higher price, reflecting its superior power, advanced features, and grand touring capabilities. It's an investment in ultimate performance and luxury. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.